Everyone thinks the best-selling gaming headset is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, AOC Gaming Headset White. First up, we have the AOC2 4 GHz wireless gaming headset in white. Priced at just $24.98, this headset caught my eye with its sleek design and impressive features. If you want a wireless option that delivers solid performance without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This headset features zero latency audio at just 20 milliseconds, which means you won't miss a single footstep or gunshot in your FPS games. The 15 dynamic drivers give you crystal clear sound, so you can pinpoint enemy movements, which is crucial for competitive gaming. Plus, with a detachable noise-canceling microphone, clear communication with your squad is a breeze, even in loud environments. And did I mention the battery life? You'll enjoy up to 45 hours of gaming on a single charge, which is pretty impressive. Now, some people complained about the mic quality being a bit low compared to premium options. Here's the thing though, if you're just diving into gaming or on a budget, this isn't a deal breaker. It gets the job done for casual play and communication. This is perfect for you if you're a casual gamer wanting solid performance at a budget price. Skip this one if you need the absolute best mic quality for professional streaming. For what you pay, it offers fantastic value. Now, if that mic quality concerned you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, AOC Gaming Headset Black. Next, we have the AOC2 4 GHz wireless gaming headset in black, priced at $24.99. Just like its white counterpart, it features the same impressive specs but with a different look. If you want a stylish headset that performs consistently, this is worth considering. This headset also boasts zero latency audio, ensuring that every sound is perfectly synced with your gameplay. It features the same 15 drivers, giving you the ability to hear everything from in-game effects to subtle audio cues that could save your life in a firefight. The detachable microphone is just as effective in reducing background noise, making communication with your teammates seamless. Plus, the battery life remains strong with 45 hours of playtime. However, some users found the fit a bit tight, especially during long gaming sessions. But here's the thing, if you're someone who prioritizes sound quality and battery life, you might overlook that minor discomfort. This headset is perfect for you if you want flexibility in your gaming setup without sacrificing performance. Skip this one if you have a larger head or prefer a looser fit. Honestly, for the price, it's a steal. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for top-tier sound quality. Product number 3, Razer Blackshark V2X. Moving on, we have the Razer Blackshark V2X coming in at $29.99. This headset stands out with its advanced audio features and lightweight design. If you want something that feels good for hours while also delivering fantastic sound, take a look at this one. What's great about this headset is its TRIFORCE titanium 15 drivers. That means you'll hear everything from the faintest footsteps to the roar of explosions in a way that immerses you in your game. The microphone is also a highlight, with a cardioid pickup pattern that focuses on your voice while minimizing background noise, which is perfect for team play. But some users reported that the headset can feel a bit flimsy over time. Here's the thing though, as long as you're careful with it, the audio quality and comfort make it worth the investment. This is perfect for you if you're playing competitively and need an edge with sound quality. Skip this if you want something ultra durable. With its price point, you're getting a lot for your money. Now, if you like the sound features but want something with a bit more durability, check out the next option. Product number 4, HyperX Cloud III. Next, we have the HyperX Cloud III priced at $57.99. This wired option is all about comfort and sound quality. If you're a gamer who plays for long hours and needs a headset that can keep up, this one might catch your attention. The angled 50-thream drivers are designed for an immersive experience, and they really shine when it comes to clarity. Plus, the memory foam ear cushions make a significant difference during those marathon gaming sessions. You'll appreciate the upgraded microphone, which does an excellent job at capturing voice without background noise interference. Also, it features DTS Headphone X Spatial Audio, which can help you locate enemies with pinpoint accuracy. Some users mention that the headset can feel a bit heavy after long periods. This is perfect for you if you're committed to long gaming sessions and need a headset that delivers great sound without fatigue. Skip this if you prefer a lightweight design above all else. For the quality and features, it's a solid investment. Now, if you want a gaming headset that's both lightweight and offers similar sound quality, let's go over the last one. Product number 5, Razer Blackshark V2 X PS5. Finally, we have the Razer Blackshark V2 X for PlayStation, priced at $31.99. This headset is built for gamers who want to enjoy high-quality sound without the weight. If you prioritize comfort along with performance, keep an eye on this one. Just like its Xbox counterpart, this headset features TRIFORCE titanium 15 drivers, delivering fantastic audio clarity. The lightweight design with memory foam ear cushions means you can wear this headset for hours without discomfort. Plus, the microphone provides excellent voice clarity, making it ideal for multiplayer games where communication is key. However, some users mention that the audio levels can be tricky to adjust on the fly. Here's the thing though, if you're typically in a static gaming setup, that's not going to be a huge issue. This is perfect for you if you want comfort and sound quality on your PlayStation. Skip this if you need on-the-fly volume control. For the price, you're getting a quality headset that won't weigh you down. In summary, we've covered some fantastic options, from the budget-friendly AOC headsets to the premium sound of the HyperX and Razer models. Each has its strengths, so it really comes down to your specific needs. To wrap it up, whether you're on a budget or looking for premium sound, these top 5 headsets offer something for everyone. From the AOC wireless options to the sound clarity of Razer and HyperX, you can't go wrong with any of these picks. Choose what fits your gaming style and enjoy the immersive experience.